What is up, my gaming nation? Six Squads Gaming here, back at you with another video. And today, we got a knock at our door. So we're gonna go check out what it is. We have Super Swag Gaming Shark, my grandma, my Super Swag Gaming other grandma. Say hi for YouTube. And then we got my Super Swag Gaming mom. But we're gonna check out what is at the door. It's a package. Let's take this. It's pretty light, but let's take this inside. Alright, so let's just lock the door so the cat, Super Swag Gaming cat, doesn't get out. But anyway, yeah. We got this box. Wonder what's inside. So we're gonna take it to the living room. And kick it to the other side. And let's open it. So now, guys, we have our utility knife and we are about to cut this open. So we are cutting it open now. And this is actually really hard. So hopefully I can open it with this knife. Am I using... No, I'm not using the wrong side. So I think we got it. Okay, hold on a sec. We got to cut that box. Okay, hold on a sec. There. Okay. So, and then, hey Gaming Shark. Anyway, we gotta. Okay. So, yeah, let's put the knife away. All right, guys. So let's open this up. It's another piece of. No way. YouTube. Is this some kind of joke of YouTube? They sent me a cardboard play button for 20 subscribers. Wow. Thanks, YouTube. I'm definitely gonna hang this on my wall. Anyway, guys, we have our own cardboard play button. Hey, Gaming Shark! Gaming Shark, check it out. My cardboard play button. He's like that silent person. He's really loud when he's not here in the videos, but he's quiet in here. Guys, check it out. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Look, it's my cardboard play button.
Cool, let me press it.
Don't hit my 20 subscriber cardboard play button. How do you like it?
Play.
No. So,
That's
okay.
Cool.
I know, right? YouTube sent me this. Oh, I dropped it. We don't want to end up like Markiplier and having the diamond fall out of his diamond play button for 10 million subscribers. But thanks, YouTube. I'm totally going to hang this on my wall. Cardboard play button for 20 subscribers. Yeah, my plushies are all set up. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do slash on the like button with the towns. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join my Real Towns Army. Also, don't forget to follow me on Musically. And don't forget to list your questions down below, as I will be having a Q&A. But anyway, guys, that's the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.